go.
New Jersey, northeastern Warren County in northwestern New
SVR.
Jersey until 3:30 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blairstown, or 9 miles southwest of Newton, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newton, Hancock, Blairstown, Franklin, Ogdensburg, Branchtown,
Brandon Lake, and Alamo,
5 Points, Belltown, Brandon Lake, and Alamo-Panther Valley. This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 12 and 17.
Interior room on the
For your
lowest floor of
protection
the
rules
building.
an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Frequent cloud
In
ground
addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
Indoors immediately.
Move indoors immediately.
Remember, if you can hear thunder,
if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
torrential
Torrential
Rainfall is occurring with this storm
and may lead
and may lead to flash flooding.
Do
Do
not
not
drive
drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties.
Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Heat advisory now in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Severe thunderstorm watch 552 in effect until 8 p.m. this evening.